At DiamondBack, our product covers the bed of a pickup truck. All the features and security that it provides is really what sets us apart.
E2 especially, but QuickBooks also were slow, and they got slower as we grew. Their databases grew with our sales volume, and they just got bogged down.
All of our information was siloed. Instead of analyzing the data and doing, financial analytics, all we were doing was reconciling data back and forth between systems.
We could see the order, we had the parts on the shelf, we could ship it, except for the fact that we couldn't ship it in our system. So it would take 24, if not more hours from the time that an order is placed until the time that we were able to ship something out, which is incredibly frustrating.
The top benefits of Acumatica were being able to eliminate the manual labor kludges we were using to bridge the gaps between these systems.
Now an order is available to us within 5 minutes, and we are able to fulfill anything that's ordered by noon, ships same day. Anything that is ordered afternoon, ships next day.
We were presenting information to the leadership team probably 3 to 4 weeks after the month closed, and we're now down to 7 days that we can give them good analytical information to make decisions about what's going on the floor with the inventory and our costs, especially of our material.
Acumatica has improved the job costing accuracy tremendously because it is accurate. We can trust it, and we can make that decision live time with better speed and better quality than we have ever been able to before. PC Bennett was a tremendous asset. They did everything in their power to guide us to where we could use Acumatica out of the box really well and build customizations that were strong, that would support our business long term, and they delivered on every part of that.
In my 30 years of experience, I have not seen another ERP system do it as well as Acumatica has done. When you build more customizations, it handles all of that management without having to have either a large cost or a large development and technical team.
I love the cloud aspect, gives me one less thing to worry about, but also the openness of it makes integrations possible that just were completely out of the question before.
It's really changed the impact to our customers and allowed our great people to focus on even higher level and more meaningful things. Now they're able to analyze the data and make decisions using the data and do their jobs at a different level than they were doing them before.
Acumatica has been the easiest to use that I've been involved in my accounting career.
Acumatica has given us peace of mind, and it's constant. However much we're going to grow, Acumatica is going to be able to grow with us.
It becomes more and more apparent every day that our decision to choose Acumatica was the right one.